In this video, I will show you how easily you can service your Holotech bottom bracket at your home. We will be using this bottom bracket removing tool, which is easily available, and I will provide you all the buying links of the product which I will be using in this video. To remove the bottom bracket, just move the tool clockwise or forward position like this. Once the bottom bracket is loose, you can use your hand to remove the bottom bracket from your frame. Here we go. Now repeat the same on the other side of the bottom bracket and remove that as well. You can see how dirty the bottom bracket is. But not a problem, we will clean and make it new. Now before we start with the cleaning and servicing, we need to remove this external bearing cap so that we can easily service the bearings. Removing the cap is pretty easy. Just use your fingers and push the cap from inside to outside and it will easily remove it. Now it's time to remove the dust seal. As it's a sealed bearing, removing this dust seal is necessary to clean the bearing easily. I am using a cutter tip to gently remove the dust seal. As the blade is sharp, be careful while doing this. Holy crap! Look at all that gunk and grease piled up with the dust and rust. But कोई बात नहीं जानी, इसको हम पूरा new बना देंगे. Let's start with the cleaning. So I am using Loop Quick Dry Degreaser. This product is specifically made to clean and degrease your bike hubs, bottom bracket and headset bearings. Now nicely spray the degreaser on the bearings so that it can do its work. While the degreaser doing its job, let's open this second bottom bearing dust seal and repeat the same. Don't forget to clean the seals as well. Now use an old toothbrush or any brush to clean up the bearings nicely after you have applied the degreaser. Cleaning and servicing your bottom bracket is essential for a smooth pedaling motion. Otherwise, it will over time hamper your pedaling speed or cadence and may over time damage the bearings. So I recommend doing this full cleaning after every 6 months. Now use an old rag or cloth and wipe it clean. I am also cleaning up the threads of the bottom bracket of the frame. For a full clean and service, just spray a little and brush it clean. Now let's grease our bearings before installing them back to their position. In case if you have rust on your bearings, you can use this Omni Anti-Rust Spray by Loop to remove rust. Just make sure you do this rust removing step before you degrease your bearings. I'm using this performance grease by Loop. It is made specifically for bearings of your bike, which you can use on your hubs, headset, cassette and bottom bracket bearings. Just look at this grease. It's look like mishti doi which we eat. I wonder if we can eat it. Just scoop a little like you eat ice cream and put it on your bearings. Repeat the same process on your other bearings as well. Once all the bearings are coated with grease, put back the dust seal. Any excess grease you can apply to the inner side of the bearings for extra protection. Now before we install the bottom bracket back to the frame, I would recommend to grease the threads. I'm using assembly paste for this. You can use as per your choice, but I recommend to use bispecific only as it protects the threads and grooves. Just take a small quantity and apply it on the threads. Also apply a little on the bottom bracket grooves for smooth installation. Now install the bottom bracket back to its position and tighten it with the bottom bracket tool. There you go. You just serviced your bottom bracket by yourself. Go ahead and treat yourself with a ride or a coffee or anything you like. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram handle @CycleRiderRoy to get some more updates. Like and share this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell button icon. Until then, keep pedaling, stay fit and always smile.